Hey guys, I hope you all are doing great. So today I am here with a new DIY video. In this video I am going to show you how to make cute and unique bookmarks with Popsticks. In the comment section below, let me know which one is your favorite. Now let's get started. So for this we need Popsticks, flat and round brushes, 3D outliners, embroidery threads, acrylic colors, and a glass of water. Now let's paint the Popsticks first. Here I am painting the Popsticks with some beautiful shades like yellow, pink, sky blue, green, and purple. After painting all the Popsticks, let's make some beautiful designs on them. You can make any design or print according to your choice. It can be tribal print, floral design, or a simple quotation. making all the pop sticks, let's make few of them with loops. I'm just making a loop with embroidery thread and pasting it on the one side by using Fevicol. Now let them dry for some time. And this is how they look now. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you wanna try these, I would love to see your work. Just tag me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is theambrapalette. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Have a wonderful day guys. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye. Take care.